Hey guys, Robert Taylor here from American Trail Products. Today we're going to take you through the install of our A-pillar light mounting bracket for the Gen 2 Subaru CrossTrek. We've got a couple features built into this A-pillar bracket that make it unique. One, it mounts with two bolts. Some of our competitors use only a single bolt. With the larger lights that people are using nowadays, we like the way this added extra support and kept the vibration down. So we'll show you how it goes on. It basically installs with the single bolt here. You tighten it up and then you rotate it into place and tighten the second bolt. Makes it a real quick install. Makes it very easy to do without moving your hood. Let's take you through and show you how it goes.
Begin by removing the upper nut on the hood mounting bracket. Next, install the light bracket as shown and snug down the nut to keep the hood from moving. Now, loosen the lower nut just far enough so that you can rotate the bracket in place and tighten the nut. Now install the light and ensure that there's proper clearance between the windshield and the light to avoid any damage. Finally, secure the wire with a zip tie. We proudly manufacture all ATB products in the USA. For more information, check out our website at americantrailproducts.com.